It seems that for many Canberrans, the dream of home ownership is turning into a financial nightmare. New figures show that mortgage stress has soared over the past decade, and it's first home buyers who are the hardest hit. ACT political reporter Julie Doyle.
10 years ago, mortgage stress was rare in Australia and in Canberra almost non-existent. Now, around 1/3 of the capital's community is affected.
This is a trend that we've seen right across the country, so it's indicative of what we've seen in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth.
Canberra's property market is soaring. The median house price has topped $508,000, second only to Sydney. And it's first homeowners who suffer most from rising values.
When you do sit down and figure out how much it actually is, it is very stressful, and it's very distressing because you think, I've only got so much left to live the rest of my life and look after my kids.
Cynthia Piramali bought her house 2 years ago. More than half her income now goes to loan repayments.
I've got 2 kids, and it really should be spending more time, making sure they go to the dentist, making sure they go to the doctor and things like that. Those things sort of have to be scaled back.
Average income levels in Canberra are relatively high. Welfare groups say that makes mortgage stress a hidden problem.
Families are having to make some very tough decisions about whether or not they're going to pay for food or whether or not they're going to pay for medical bills this particular week, because a lot of their money has gone into making sure that roof stays over their head.
In Canberra's newest suburbs, demand for affordable housing is on the rise. The ACT government says it's doing what it can.
The drive of the government over the course of the last 3 years to get 12,000 sites out to the market shows a genuineness that we are taking it very, very seriously.
Despite extra land coming onto the market, there are concerns mortgage stress is only going to get worse. More interest rate rises are predicted, and that will add to the pressure on homeowners.
A lot of young people borrowed large sums of money in order to purchase their first property. But if we continue to have increasing interest rates, I think in the next 6 to 12 months we'll definitely see a big increase in mortgage stress.
That means more tough choices for home buyers in Canberra and right across the country. Julie Doyle, ABC News, Canberra.